Hey, so if you're tired of editing the same thing over and over in Webflow, components are going to save you a ton of time. They let you reuse elements across your site and update everything at once. Let's set it up. First, log into your Webflow account and open the project you want to work on. Pick any element you want to reuse, like a navbar, footer, or even a card section. Right-click the element and choose Create Component. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Now, go to the Components panel and drag that component anywhere on your site. You can use it on multiple pages. Here's the powerful part. Edit the main component, and all instances update automatically. So no more repeating changes. You can also override certain content like text or images without breaking the main structure. Super useful for blog cards or product lists. Keep your components organized by naming them properly and grouping similar ones together. It'll save you time later. Once everything looks good, just publish your site and your reusable components will be live everywhere. And that's it. Components make your workflow faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Once you start using them, you won't go back. Hey, so if